getting me some vitamin D. YouTube, I'm talking about the sun. I'm talking about the sun.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That's every week you get to see me, and go and give this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit because on the pop, we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping, period. All right, y'all, so I take it y'all wasn't feeling last week's video, so y'all gotta let me know what type of videos y'all be wanting to see from me. Like, do y'all just want me to strictly do my hair videos, everything regarding hair? Is that all y'all want to see from me? Let me know, because some of the content I really just like to do just because. Anyways, I want to talk about my hair and how it's regrowing and the things and the steps that I took to regrow my hair and trying to just like get my hair back to a healthy state. Basically all the things that I've done and have been doing, the products that I've been trying and things of that sort, foods that I've been eating in regards to what I'm putting in and out of my body, just stuff like that. The first thing that I have to tell y'all is I keep minoxidil in my routine because a lot of you ask me. I don't use Rogaine. Rogaine is just a brand's name of minoxidil. I don't use Rogaine's brand because Rogaine is a bit pricey. I found a cheaper brand that is just as good as Rogaine because I've been using this product for a good little minute now. I started using this is Basic Care. Somebody told me that they found one with Equate and Basic Care probably just like the same thing. It's just you're paying for the name. That's basically, if you are going and buying Rogaine, you're paying for the name. You can find cheaper brands that does just as good. And the thing about this is I had 3 bottles of this. I'm on my second bottle, but it's still a half up in here because y'all know I take my minoxidil and I mix it with my oil and it works perfectly fine. A lot of people say that it'll take out some of the components of the ingredients when you mix it with something. It doesn't for me. It does just as good as if you're using it on its own, because you see my hair right here before I started using the Rogaine to now, and this picture was last night, and when I took that picture I was like, oh my gosh, my hair really is growing back, because y'all know how bad my hair had fallen out a couple months ago. And girl, the steps that I've been taking to get my hair back on the right track are really working. So you don't have to go and break your bank to use minoxidil. You don't have to buy Rogaine. This is just as good, and you can get it off Amazon. I'll leave the Amazon link down in the description box, and you get a 3-month supply. Yeah. Now another thing y'all know I've been using, and I brag about this brand a whole lot. I brag about it because it really works. This is my favorite when it comes to my edges, baby. I document my edges. I document my edges and my thinning spots and my bald spots majority of the time. I really don't even focus on the length. Even though I see the length, I focus in on my bald spots and my edges, because those are my problem areas and those are the areas that you guys want to see. I like to show y'all the trouble areas so y'all can know that a product is working. This one is my staple. This one is my baby, y'all. This one is not going anywhere. Because I was looking at my edges last night and I was like, damn, my edges really are, oh, let me not say the D word. YouTube and its demonetization, y'all. Yeah, they get us small creators too. But yeah, I looked in the mirror and I was looking at my edges. I was like, dang, they really are growing. They really are growing. But anyways, vitamins that I've been taking for my hair are the Hairfinity vitamins. I was using Hairfinity back in high school. No, I was using Hairfinity in college. Girl, I said high school. I didn't even know what Hairfinity was in high school. I was using Hairfinity in college and I wasn't using it like I've been using it consistently now. And I love the Hairfinity hair vitamins. I don't know why. It's just they just seem to be working for me. I feel like with incorporating it along with the products that I use for my hair, I see the volume and the thickness that is coming back in my hair. Like putting different products with different products, you get better results to me. And with incorporating those vitamins along with these hair care products that I'm using, I have noticed that my hair has been growing really, really well. I remember during the big chop about 3 years ago in 2018, my hair took a while to like get some length, but now it's growing faster because I've been using products that are performing better than when I did the big chop in 2018. So yeah, the products that I'm using now are bomb.com. I would strongly suggest getting you a good hair vitamin, and I stress this every time I try new products or every time I'm updating y'all about my hair. I strongly suggest getting you a good vitamin. You don't necessarily have to do the Hairfinity. Those are just the ones that work good for me. Those Hairfinity vitamins are $29.99 a bottle, so they run you probably like $32 with tax. And I also use the volume booster as well, and that boosts up the hair vitamin pills. So I'm getting a 2-for-1 special. To me, I'm getting with using both of them, you're getting a 2-for-1 special. So I'm getting the volume and the thickness with using both of them. It just increases the growth, the thickness, and all of that, because that's what I want for my hair, is the thickness, the volume, and the length, all of that. I want it all, baby. When it comes to my hair, I like to think selfishly because of the struggles that I've been dealing with when it comes to my hair. So I'm manifesting some big, curly, juicy, voluptuous curls in my head one day. I'm really manifesting and praying for that one day. Now, next thing I like to do is keep my hair like braided. Like if I'm doing a wig, I like to keep my hair braided underneath, or I do me some plaits just so it can be like protected, or I don't know. To me, I feel like when I do braids in my hair, it speeds up the growth process. I don't know if it's just in my head, but that's what it seemed like it does to me. So if I have my hair braided down for about a week or so, a week or two, immediately when I take it down, I feel like I have a good amount of growth from doing it. I get a good amount of new growth, and I have my hair down, especially when I'm trying these oils on my hair. If the oil is really performing for my hair, when I take those braids down, I can actually see if it's doing what it says it's gonna do. So I like to keep my hair like protected or braided down, especially when I'm doing my wigs. I've gone back to doing braids in my head. Y'all have seen me in a few videos where I have had braids in my head. As of recently, I just been wearing these on my head going to work and stuff, cause girl, I just feel like with this this quarantining and not being able to go nowhere, and I haven't been doing my makeup, I just haven't really been putting in an effort. But I am gonna start back doing the braids, because like I said, I feel like braids, when it comes to me having my hair braided down, I even have them braided down under here when I'm going to work, because like I said, it just speeds up the growth process to me. Another thing I do, I drink a gallon of water a day. The skin is glowing because your girl drinks her water every day. Luckily, I don't go out and buy a gallon of water anymore because I can't do it. I don't like drinking the gallon of water, and I don't know how this makes sense. So y'all might say, God, that don't even make any sense. I use my faucet water, but I have the pure filter, so it filters my water, because I'm not a faucet water drinker. And I bought my little gallon jug, and I fills it up every morning, and I take it to work with me, and I drink my gallon of water a day from my filtered faucet water. And I don't know how I can drink that water versus me going and buying a gallon of water. I will not finish that gallon of water, but I can finish the gallon of water that I fix out of the faucet in my jug. I don't know, it makes no sense, but that's just the reality of what it is. It's just the reality of what it is. I have been eating a lot of greens. I've gone back to strictly being a vegetarian slash pescatarian. One, because of my PCOS, and two, because I noticed that when I switched my diet in 2019, my hair was doing excellent when I became a pescatarian, vegetarian. Y'all know I was mainly a vegetarian. So I'm back to doing that same diet because I want to get my health back regulated and I want to get my hair back to growing. And I noticed with what I put in my body, what I consume, it does work in regards to my hair. So I'm big on what I put into my body right now. So I'm doing what it takes to get my body back right. I'm doing what it takes to get my hair back right. I'm doing everything it takes so I can get myself back to the healthy state that I was in 2019, because I felt my best in 2019 because I had lost all the weight. My hair had started growing back and it was just, girl, I was on a high. And then 2020 came and just said, I'm gonna knock you off it, and girl. But anyways, moving on. Next, the last thing that I've been doing is working out every day. Not every day, I move my body every day, but I work out at least 3 times a week. I've done 3 times this week. I'm getting out there in the sun, getting me some sun, getting me some vitamin D. YouTube, I'm talking about the sun. I'm talking about the sun. I've been getting me some vitamin D from the sun because I like to work out outside. I don't know why. It's just something about me being out in the sun that makes me feel like not only am I getting energy from it, but I'm sweating and I get to sweat more, and with more sweat, I feel like the pounds are just falling off. And girl, with moving your body and getting your body just energized and getting the right amount of vitamins inside of you, it's going to stimulate the hair growth as well. It's going to penetrate that scalp to me as well. So yeah, that's basically all that I've been doing to get my hair back to growing, and hair is doing excellent. Y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the pictures that I put in the video to let y'all know that we're getting back to where we were. We're doing the things that we were doing back in 2019, where when we were on a roll and everything was going really well. Hopefully I get myself back to that point and even better, because I'm trying to get, you know, go beyond that so I can get better, so my hair can grow better, so my body can be better, so I can be better overall. And I want to just encourage y'all and inspire y'all to take the journey as well, so you can get yourself in a healthy state, so you can feel your best, because that's what I'm trying to do. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.